A better ride is at your fingertips with the Controls and Safety app. Using the Controls and Safety app on your center display screen, you can manage features all over your car in one central location. To find your Controls and Safety app, look for an app icon on your infotainment screen that says Controls. You might have to swipe to the second page of the home screen to find it. Here you can conveniently access and customize some of your vehicle's settings, while quick access icons keep you in control even while driving. Depending on your vehicle, some of the virtual controls found in the app might include glove box release. This is a quick access button on the home page of this app or access through the doors and windows tile. Power window lockout. A quick access to lock the rear power windows is found on the home page of this app. Change other lock and lift gate settings, including child safety locks, through the doors and windows tile. Headlamps. A quick access button for auto high beams on the home page of this app. Change other light settings through the lights tile. Interior dome light. A quick access button on the home page of this app. If interior dome lights are on when closing this app, an icon will be added to the app tray to easily turn them off. On properly equipped models, your vehicle will use predictive intelligence to suggest helpful shortcuts, like turning off a dome light or auto high beams. Universal remotes. Program up to 8 universal remotes or garage door controls through the universal remotes tile. Accessing your vehicle's many features has never been easier thanks to the Controls and Safety app. Now, nearly any feature you need to enhance your ride is just a tap away.